Dear student, today we are going to discuss some MCQ. 1 mole CXHY hydrocarbon react with oxygen, gives CO2 and water. So then hydrocarbon means only carbon and hydrogen having compound is hydrocarbon is reacting with N1 mole of O2 gives N2 mole of CO2 and N3 mole of water. So N1, N2 and N3 will be. These are the option. So we have to define that value. Here on left hand side carbon is X. So carbon equal to X on left hand side. Now right hand side number of carbon is N2. અને મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય ને N2 CO2 હોય તો 1 CO2 માં 1 કાર્બન તો 2 CO2 માં 2 like this. N2 CO2 means N2C, the number of carbon N2C. So carbon is the N2. So we compare these two. So carbon N2 equal to X. Now what about oxygen? On left hand side N1 of O2 molecules. Molecules માં oxygen 2 atoms છે. So N1 molecules of O2 means 2 times N1 is atoms. એટલે O2 ના molecule માં atom 2 છે. N1 molecule O2 છે તો atoms of oxygen will be twice 2N1 on left hand side. Now right hand side N2 mole of O2. This is also molecule. So N2 means 2O2 but 2 oxygen atom means 2N2 equal to oxygen atoms here. Now here N3 mole of oxygen atoms. એટલે molecule atoms માં convert કરીએ એટલે અહીં twice અહીંયા 1 times. So total oxygen on right hand side here and here 2N2 plus N3. Here oxygen atoms are 2N1. So 2N1 equal to 2N2 plus O3 O cut. So when we divide by 2, so N1 equal to N2 plus N3 by 2. Clear? This value gives N1. Now what about hydrogen? On right hand side number of hydrogen are Y. Y hydrogen. So here N3 equal to H2. But in the H2 atoms are 2. So 2N3 equal to H. Twice. Molecules करता atom double છે 2 times N3. So 2N3 equal to Y. So N3 equal to Y by 2. Now put down value here. N2 equal to X. N3 equal to Y by 2. For getting N1's value, N2 equal to X. N3 is Y by 2 divided by 2. So Y by 4. So this is our answer B. N1 equal to X plus Y by 4, N2 equal to X and N3 equal to Y by 2. This is proof. But remember, whenever any hydrocarbon burns with oxygen, any hydrocarbon when burns with the oxygen, so consumed oxygen will be X plus Y by 4 O2. Occurred carbon dioxide will be X CO2 and produced water will be Y by 2. Yes, this is our trick to remember. Any hydrocarbon, suppose we are taking ethene C2H4. is reacting with oxygen gives carbon dioxide. And remember, any hydrocarbon when burns with oxygen always produces carbon dioxide and water. Here value of X is 2, value of Y is 4. So here is X plus Y by 4. So mole of O2 will be, instead of X there will be 2, on the place of Y there will be 4, 4 by 4 means 1, so 3 O2. Here is X, X means 2, so 2 mole CO2. Here is Y by 2 mole, so 4 by 2. So here will be 2, you can see carbon 2, carbon 2. Hydrogen 4, hydrogen 4. Oxygen 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 6. So 3 2 ja 6. Yes. When we take benzene, which is also this formula is only applicable to only hydrocarbon, બધા માટે નહીં, only hydrocarbon. Suppose C6H6 is given, so X equal to 6, Y equal to 6, so oxygen will be X plus mole of oxygen, here 6, Y by 4, 6 by 4, here 3 by 2, 6 2 ja 12 plus 3, 15 by 2, otherwise 7.5. So here oxygen gives carbon dioxide and water. So mole of the oxygen will be 15 by 2. Here is X means 6. X, only X, 6. Here Y by 2. So 3. You can see 6 carbon, 6 carbon. 6 hydrogen, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 and બેને multiply થાય, 12 plus 3, 15. So here 15 by 2 multiply by 2 gives 15. Like this we can solve. This is a trick to solve our question. When hydrocarbon burns with oxygen and gives CO2 and H2O, the number of mole of oxygen is fixed. આ હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન હોવું જોઈએ, અહીંયા આમ હોય CHHYOZ તો નહીં, ફોર્મ્યુલા ચેન્જ થઈ, number of carbon X, number of hydrogen Y. So X plus Y by 4 mole O2 consumed, X mole of CO2 produces and Y by 2 mole of water produces from there. This is our trick to solve this type of questions. If our compound having carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, which is called the saccharides like glucose, fructose, when carbon, hydrogen and oxygen having compound is given, which burns with oxygen and gives carbon dioxide and water. So here mole of oxygen consumed is fixed, X plus Y by 4 minus Z by 2, and occurred produced carbon dioxide will be X mole and produced water will be Y by 2 mole. It is fixed. I am giving you example. Glucose is reacting with oxygen, burning, gives N1 mole O2, N2 mole CO2 and N3 mole water occurs. So N1, N2 and N3 will be. Here X is the 6, Y equal to 12. Remember, if carbon monoxide produces, then this trick is not applicable. Here Z is equal to 6. So N1 equal to x plus y by 4 minus z by 2. Here x is 6, y is 12, 12 by 4, z is 6, 6 by 2. So 6 plus 3 minus 3. So will be here n1 equal to 6. What about n2? n2 is x directly. n2 equal to x. So x is 6. So here will be 6. And n3 is y by 2. So 6 by 2 means 3. Sorry, y is equal to 12. 12 by 2 means 6. Now 6 carbon, 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, 6 to the 12. Oxygen, 6 to the 12 plus 6, total 18. So 6 to the 12 plus 6, total 18. This is balanced equation. Another example, sucrose, sugar. Our household sugar. C12H22O11 is reacting with oxygen, gives carbon dioxide and water. So N1, N2 and N3 will be here x equal to 12, y 22, z 11. N1 is x plus y by 4 minus z by 2. So value of x is 12. 22 by 4. Y is 22. Z is 11. So here will be 11 by 2. Half cube 11, 2 ja and 2 2 ja 4. 11 by 2 cut. So here is 12. Now what about N2? N2 equal to x. So which is 12. So 12 CO2. What about N3? Is y by 2. So y means 22. By 2, 11. 11 2 ja 22 hydrogen. So 22 hydrogen. 12 carbon, 12 carbon. 11 plus 24. So 24 plus 11, 35 oxygen total. Here 12 2 ja 24 and 11, 35. This is balanced equation. Now next question. How many carbon atoms are present in 0.34 mole of glucose? In 1 mole glucose, there is 6 mole carbon atoms. But in 1 molecule of glucose, there are 6 carbon atoms. So in 1 mole there will be 6 mole carbon atom. So in 0.30 mole, 0.35 mole of glucose, how much? So 0.35 multiplied by 6 divide by 1. So 35 into 6, 21. 210 divide by 100. So 2.1 mole. Yes, 0.35. So maximum value 35 into 6 upon 100. 210 divided by 100. 2.1 mole carbon atoms. 1 mole carbon atoms equal to 6.022 10 raised to 23 atoms. Therefore, in 2.1 mole carbon atoms there will be 2.1 into 6.022 10 raised to 23. When we multiply 2.1 with 6.022, 2.1 into 6.022, 12.64 into 10 raised to 23. After one digit decimal point, it moves in left hand side. So rest increases. So 1.264 10 raised to 24 atoms are there. Here 4 is less than 5. So round off value 1.26 10 raised to 24. Now another question. How many molecules are present in 5.23 gram of glucose? એટલે 5.23 ગ્રામ ગ્લુકોઝમાં molecules will be how much? So we can define some. You can see, first of all, molecular mass of glucose, C6H12O6, 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, 6 oxygen. So here is 12, 1 and 16, 72, 12 and 96. 180 gram per mole. Per mole means 180 gram equal to 1 mole. So 5.23 gram, how much? 180 gram glucose equal to 1 mole. Therefore 5.23 gram glucose equal to how much? So 5.23 divided by 180. 5.23 5.23 divided by 180. Otherwise 0.029 mole. Otherwise I am giving you a trick. 180 gram means 1 mole. 6.0 double to 10 raised to 23 molecules shortcut. So 180 gram equal to 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So at 5.23 gram, how much? Here 6.022. So we get direct number of molecules shortcut. So 6.022 multiply with 5.23, then divide by 180 gives 0.1749. 10 raised to 23. After one digit there should be point. So decimal point moves on right hand side one digit. So rate decreases. So 1.749 10 raised to 22. 9 is more than 5. So round off value 1.75 10 raised to 22. Yes, one rest increases, sorry. When we move here, one rest increases. So 24. Ten into 10 raised to 1. So 0.1 into 10 raised to 10 હોય. Suppose 0.1 into 10 raised to 2 is given. So 1 upon 10, 10 raised to 2. So here will be 1 raised to degrees થાય. So 23 minus 1, 22. This is our answer. Here, new question. What is the weight of 3.01 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia? First of all, formula of the ammonia is NH3. એટલે નંબર ઓફ મોલેક્યુલ્સ આટલા હોય તો એનું માસ કેટલું હશે? ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ molecular mass of ammonia. Here 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. So nitrogen having 14. Here 1, 14 plus 3, 17 gram per mole. 17 gram per mole. This is mass of 1 mole. 1 mole means 6.022 10 raised to 23 molecules. 1 mole ammonia નું mass 17 gram છે. એટલે આટલા molecules નું 17 gram. તો આટલા how much? So 6.022 10 raised to 23 molecules equal to 17 gram. Therefore 3.01 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia equal to how much? So 17 into 3.01 10 raised to 23 divide by 6.022 10 raised to 23, it will be cut. Yes, 3 to the 6, 17 by 2 means 8.5 gram. Understood? This is our answer. This type of question asked in our exam. So you have to do practice. Naturally occurring chlorine. In the nature, chlorine is available. So chlorine 35 having mass is 75.53% in the sample, which is actual atomic mass is 34.969 and chlorine 17 isotope 37 having is 24.47. The total 100 kg, which has actual atomic mass 36.966 am. Calculate the average atomic mass of chlorine. In this type of question, for getting average mass of chlorine 34.969 AMU having mass is 75.53%. એટલે આના 75.53% and divide by 100. આના 37 એટલે accurate 36.966 ના 24.47%. એટલે multiply divide by 100. Now LCM of both. So 34.6969 75.53 plus 36.966 into 24.47 and all raised to 100. So when we multiply 34.969 into 75.53 gives 2641.20 and 36.966 into 24.47 gives 904.55. So 904.55 plus 2641.20 3545 divided by 100. So 35.45. When we take a round of value, so 35.5 average atomic mass of the chlorine. This is our real answer. 35.5 is the true answer. Now next, calculate the mass in gram of 2 gram atom of Mg. This is scientific notation. 1 gram atom of Mg means not 1 gram, 1 molecule, 1 mole atom of magnesium having mass in gram. लखाया 1 gram atom of magnesium means 1 mole magnesium atom no mass in gram. The 1 mole magnesium atom mass of 1 mole magnesium atom, so is 24 gram. So therefore 2 gram atom of magnesium equal to how much? So 2 into 24, 48. Yes, 2 gram. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24. So 2 gram equal to how much? In 5 gram atom of silver means 5 mole of silver. 5 mole silver no mass in gram. Atomic mass of silver is 108. Calculate the weight of 1 atom of silver. So 1 mole silver equal to 108 gram. 6.022 10 raised to 23 atoms equal to 108 gram. So 1 atom confuse કરવા માટે આપેલું છે. So mass of 1 atom will be 108 into 1 upon Avogadro number. So 108 divided by 6.022. 108 is atomic mass of silver. Divided by 6.022, 17.93. Here division is 17.93 and 4. 10 raised to 3 moves up minus, so 1.7934. 0.1 digit moves here, 1 rest increases, so 1.79 and 3 and 4 negligible, minus 22 gram. Minus 23 plus 1, so it will be minus 22 gram. Yes. A compound possesses 8% sulfur by mass. The least molecular mass of the compound will be. Percentage should be reference to 100. 8% means 8 gram sulfur in 100 gram compound. Clear? 8% 8 gram reference to 100. 8 gram sulfur 100 gram compound mass है. So whenever sulfur, so in the compound minimum 1 sulfur should be present. half तो OH नहीं, minimum 1 तो OH, minimum 1, least minimum 1. So 1 sulfur atomic mass 32 થાય. So 8 gram sulfur molecular mass is 100. So at 32 આપણે સલ્ફર ડાયોક્સાઇડ લઈએ તો મિનિમમ 1 સલ્ફર હોય, H2SO4 લઈએ મિનિમમ 1 હોય તો 1 સલ્ફર means 32 gram. So 8 gram of sulfur equal to 100 gram molecular mass. So minimum 1 sulfur. So at 32 gram sulfur, કારણ કે હાફ તો ના હોય, મોલેક્યુલર માસમાં મિનિમમ 1 તો હોય એટલે લિસ્ટ કીધું છે. 2 સલ્ફર 3 હોય તો મોર થઈ જાય. લિસ્ટ એટલે મિનિમમ 1 સલ્ફર. So at 32 gram how much? So 32 into 100 divided by 8. So 400 is our answer. એટલે કમ્પાઉન્ડમાં સલ્ફર 8% છે એટલે 8 ગ્રામ હોય ત્યારે 100% મોલેક્યુલર માસ, પણ મિનિમમ 1 સલ્ફર હોય તો એનો માસ 32 તો હોય. 32 ગ્રામ how much? So 400. Now last question of the day. Calculate the mass in gram of 2 Avogadro number molecules of CO2. So molecular mass of CO2, 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. So 12 plus 32, 44 per mole. Per mole means 6.022 10 raised to 23 means 1 Avogadro number equal to 44 gram. આટલા molecules હોય, 1 mole means 1 Avogadro number equal to 44. So 2 Avogadro number molecules of CO2 having 2 into 44, so 88 gram. 1 Avogadro number જેટલા molecules હોય એટલે 1 mole, so 44 gram. So 2 Avogadro number જેટલા molecules હોય twice then Avogadro number એટલે 2 mole. So how much? 88 gram. This is our answer. Now we will start our second chapter in next lecture because આપણે redox ચાલ્યું નથી. The sum of the point we will discuss after અમુક ચેપ્ટર ચાલશે પછી જ તે ક્લિયર થશે. લાઈક ઓક્સિડેશન નંબર્સ એવા ક્વેશ્ચન આવે છે, so we will discuss about it in પછી. Now we will start second lecture in our next lecture. Now all the tricks, all the method over here of the chapter 1. Some of them is remaining, but it will be discussed after completion of redox reaction. One point is remaining of this chapter, but it will be not possible here. We will complete after completion of chapter number redox reaction.